Now, let us discuss about the trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degrees and 90 degrees. In order to do that, let us consider a triangle ABC in which angle C is equal to 90 degrees and angle A is equal to theta. We know that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here that is equal to BC by AB. Now let us assume that theta tends to 0 degrees. Then as theta tends to 0 degrees, B coincides with C. Therefore, the distance BC will be equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that sin 0 degrees is equal to 0. Now, let us say that theta tends to 90 degrees. Then, as theta is tending to 90 degrees, that means this A will be coinciding with C, which implies that AB will be coinciding with BC. Therefore, here we get AB is equal to BC. Therefore, sin 90 degrees will be equal to 1. Now, similarly, let us consider cos theta, that is equal to adjacent side AC by hypotenuse AB. In the first case, let us assume that theta tends to 0 degrees. Then that implies that AB will be coinciding with AC. That means cos theta is equal to AC by AB. As AC is equal to AB, we get cos theta is equal to 1, which implies theta we have it as 0 degrees. That is cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. Similarly, let us consider that theta tends to 90 degrees, which implies AB coincides with BC and AC distance will be equal to 0. Therefore, cos 90 degrees will be equal to 0. Now, in the above we got that sin 0 degrees is equal to 0, sin 90 degrees is equal to 1, cos 0 degrees is equal to 1, cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. And let us find the values for other trigonometric ratios, that is tan 0 degrees is equal to, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is nothing but sin 0 degrees by cos 0 degrees, which is equal to 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. Similarly, we get that tan 90 degrees is equal to sin of 90 degrees divided by cos of 90 degrees, that is nothing but 1 by 0, which is not defined. Now, similarly, let us find cot 0 value. Cot 0 degrees is equal to, we know that cot is nothing but 1 by tan, that is equal to 1 by tan 0 degrees, which is nothing but 1 by 0, that is equal to infinity or not defined. Similarly, we get cot 90 degrees is equal to 1 by infinity, that is 1 by 1 by 0, which is equal to 0. So, let us also find the secant and cosecant. Secant 0 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 0 degrees, that is nothing but 1 by cos 0 is nothing but 1. Therefore, secant 0 is nothing but 1. Similarly, we get secant 90 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 90 degrees, which is equal to 1 by cos 90, we have it as 0, that is equal to infinity. Therefore, secant 90 is nothing but infinity. Let us find cosecant 0 degrees. Cosecant 0 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 0 degrees, that is nothing but 1 by 0, which is nothing but infinity. And cosecant 90 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 90, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is nothing but 1. Therefore, cosecant 90 is equal to 1. So, these are the trigonometric ratios for angles 0 degrees and 90 degrees.